That's right. I'm a stock picker. I admit to it. I pick stocks based on maximizing my return on my investment. I start with those that I feel confident over history and projections that they'll give me a 33% return. Here they are. There's 11 of them. You recognize most of them. I've held most of them for quite some time and will probably hold most of them for the rest of my life. But my portfolio is built on growth between now and the next 36 months. So I put alpha into my portfolio, and that is I want stocks that are going to give me greater than 66% return over the next 36 months. And here they are. These are the 14. You probably noticed one of them was up 25% today. That's AEHR. Why were they up? Because they are a depressed stock that has said they have good earnings coming in the future. But if you listen to the earnings call, he gave you two other stocks that are going to grow, and they're in that list as well. That's what I do on my cheat sheet. That's what I share with you in my Friday stock talks. That's what Best of Us Investors is all about. Okay, so I know the stocks I want to buy. I know the stocks I want to hold for a 33% or better. Now I need to project out at my end game, which is January the 1st, 2027. If I'm right, and I enter my cost basis on each of these stocks, what is it going to return me on January the 1st, 2027? And as you can see on the sheet, I've highlighted some of them that aren't going to make the cut. Look at Adobe there. It's going to give me a 34% return. If I divide that by 3, that comes out to be about 11%. So I need to take my profits out of Adobe and get out of it, and then put it in those stocks that are going to give me a higher return, like AEHR, that's showing me there 240%, or I can go down to Micron MU, which is going to give me a 363%. Again, based on the projected earnings that I've determined these stocks are going to give me between now and January the 27th, I manage this portfolio to maximize my return. Now, may the things change? May I find new stocks that will even outperform these? Of course I will. But if I manage it on a regular basis, if I put in my cost basis, I put in what I project the prices are going to be year by year by year, I can manage it, and I can hit my objective of 66% or better return on my portfolio over the next 2.5 years. That's management. That's putting alpha into the portfolio, keeping those stocks that I'm comfortable with, the Amazons, the Google, the Nvidia, the super micros, but then putting some juice to them with the AEHRs, the ultra cleans, the stocks that are going to give me 363% Micron. If, in fact, Micron comes up with something that says, no, it isn't going to happen, I take my profits and I go somewhere else. But that's managing your portfolio to maximize its return while maintaining some safety in it. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I want to help you make better investment decisions. I want to teach you how to manage your portfolio. Now, the beauty is that Jensen and Michael Dell and Bill McDermott are going to help me put together a AI factory that I can go beyond just these 39 stocks that I look at, and I can look at the whole universe with the help of an AI factory. It is going to have all the knowledge in the world. I'm going to have it at my dispense, and I know the right questions to ask and what to do with the right answers. It's all in this sheet and my cheat sheet. It's a path to success.